In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete website from Google Analytics. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove a website property safely and what to expect after you do. Before we begin, a quick note on terminology. In Google Analytics, a website is represented as a property. Deleting the website means moving that property to the trash can. You'll need the right level of access, typically editor or administrator, and it's always a good idea to confirm you're working in the correct account and property, especially if you manage multiple sites. Start by heading to analytics.google.com and sign in. Once you're in, look for the gear icon labeled Admin, usually found at the bottom left of the interface. Click that to open the admin area. You'll see columns for account and property. Take a moment here to double check you've highlighted the exact property you intend to remove. It's easy to click the wrong one if you have a long list. With the correct property selected, open Property Details, sometimes shown as Property Settings. This page shows the property name, ID, and other configuration items so you can verify you're in the right place. If anything looks off, switch to the correct property before moving on. Inside the property settings, find the option called Move to Trash Can. Clicking this doesn't instantly wipe your data. Instead, it places the property into a temporary holding area, which is designed as a safeguard. During this period, the property is disabled and new data won't be processed, but there is a limited window in which it can be recovered if you change your mind. This helps prevent accidental permanent loss. When you're sure, proceed by selecting Move to Trash. You'll see a confirmation prompt explaining the impact. Review it carefully, then confirm to complete the action. Once confirmed, the property is moved to the trash can, and it will no longer collect or process data. Any dashboards or reports tied to this property will stop updating because the underlying data source is no longer active. A couple of practical tips as you wrap up. If stakeholders rely on reports from this property, let them know about the change so there are no surprises. If you only needed to pause tracking temporarily, consider whether disabling or removing tags in your site's tag manager might be a better short-term approach. And if you think you might need historical insights, export any key reports beforehand so you have a reference. That's it. You've now learned how to delete a website from Google Analytics by moving its property to the trash can and confirming the change.